Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have created this soft glam look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. This is a very quick and easy look, almost an everyday look that you can achieve within a few minutes. So let's just get started with the video. I already have my foundation on, which is L'Oreal's True Match in the shade W6, and now I am just bronzing my face with MAC's Matte Bronze. For my eyes, I used Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in Sand and set it with some Kryolan translucent powder. And now I am going in with Raw Sienna as my crease color and blending it on both sides of my eyelids. I'm adding some burnt orange in my crease to give it a little more depth and using windshield wiper motions to distribute the color on my eyelids. Now I'm going in with a smaller crease brush and dipping into burnt orange so that I can deepen up my crease a little more. Also, I will concentrate this color mostly on my outer V, and once my brush does not have a lot of product on it, I will go inward. I will gradually add more of burnt orange in my crease until I get the desired look. Using a denser crease brush, I am packing on Cypress Umber on the outer V of my eye. I am trying to create the cat eye effect, and so I am flicking my brush upward very slightly so that we can get that V look in the crease. Now dipping my brush into burnt orange and Real Girl, I have created the perfect in-between shade to blend out the crease. Also, I'm going back with the same dense not packing brush, but the dense crease brush and blending out the darker color on my eyelid, which was Cypress Umber. So I just blended both the crease with whatever was remaining on the brush from my previous application just to make it a little more defined. Using the brush that came in the palette, I am using tempera and packing it on my lid. Also blending it with the shades on my outer V. So for my lower lid, I used a smudge brush to apply a mixture of red ochre as well as Cypress Umber. Then I mixed burnt orange and Real Girl and used a smaller blending brush and blended it on my lower lash line or my lower lid. Also, I went in with Raw Sienna so that I can blend all those colors together. Then I did add a little bit of Cypress Umber to the outer V so that it can be more defined, and I use the C kind of blending motions so that it can be all blended in together and can look seamless. I used Primavera as my brow bone and inner corner highlight. Then I used the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black for my eyeliner and winged it out a little. Also, I used the NYX Treasure Lay gel eyeliner so that I could simply tightline my eyes. Then I used this no-name brand lip liner from a local beauty store. It is a purple pinkish lip liner. It seems very bright on the camera. It isn't as much in real life. However, I use this lip liner to overline my lips as well as fill them in. Then I went in with Milani powder blush in Romantic Rose and applied that to my cheeks. And this is an Eco Tools tapered blush brush, which I also used for my bronzer. Also, I went back and forth with the reapplication of the blush as it wasn't as intense as I would like it to be. So I just added a few more layers of the blush to my face. Then I went in with MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle, which is so old school. So just added the Soft and Gentle to the high points of my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, and on the cupid's bow. Also, I don't really add a lot of highlight because it's not my thing, to be honest. And yeah, I do see that my lips are extremely chapped, and I do realize it later on in the video, and I did add some lip balm here. There you go. This is my favorite lip balm, by the way. And now I sprayed my face with some MAC Fix Plus and really enjoyed it. Then went ahead with Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and applied it on my top and bottom lashes. Then Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Seductress. I really like the combination of the lip liner and this lip ink because it gives such a beautiful shade, customized just for you. Last but not the least, some Milani Make It Last finishing spray, setting spray, whatever you'd like to call it. And this is the finished look. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell because that is how you will be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up.